What is SEO and how does it work? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the process of getting traffic from free, organic, editorial, or natural search results in search engines. It aims to improve your website's position in search results pages. Remember, the higher the website is listed, the more people will see it. Good SEO involves many different activities, such as identifying relevant keywords with good search traffic potential, creating high-quality, useful content and optimizing it for search engines and for users, including relevant links from high-quality sites, measuring the results. How do SEO actually work? Search engines are used by people when they have a query and are searching on the internet for the answer. Search engines rely on algorithms to find web pages and decide which ones to rank for any given keyword. There are 3 steps to how search engines work: crawling, which is the discovery stage; indexing, which is the filing stage; and ranking, which is the retrieval stage. Step 1. Crawling. The first step is crawling. Search engines send out web crawlers to find new pages and record information about them. We sometimes call these web crawlers spiders or robots. Their purpose is to discover new web pages that exist, and also to periodically check the content on pages they've previously visited to see whether they've changed or been updated. Step 2. Indexing. Indexing is when a search engine decides whether or not it is going to use the content that it has crawled. If a crawled web page is deemed worthy by a search engine, it will be added to its index. This index is used at the final ranking stage. When a web page or piece of content is indexed, it is filed and stored in a database where it can later be retrieved. Its content is considered duplicate. Its content is considered low value or spammy. It couldn't be crawled. The page or domain lacked inbound links. Step 3. Ranking. The third step is really the most important step, and that is ranking. Ranking can only happen after the crawling and indexing steps are complete. So once a search engine has crawled and indexed your site can be ranked. Keyword presence in title tag. Whether the keyword or a synonym was mentioned on the page and within the title tag. Loading speed of web page. Whether the web page loads quickly and is mobile friendly. Website reputation. Whether the web page and website is considered reputable for the topic being searched for. Thanks for watching.